Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get and use Street View in Google Maps on mobile. Whether you're on an iPhone or Android device, the steps remain the same. First, let's go into Google Maps. Once in Maps, you want to type in the location that you would like to search for. Let's say Washington, D.C. Once you have found the location that you would like to search for, you will normally see an image pop up in the bottom left hand corner right there. You can tap on that and you'll be able to get the street view, or you can tap on one of the image right here and you'll also be able to get street view. As you can see right there, and here you can tap on see latest. Right here where you see latest, you could tap on that and you'll be able to see the latest images, and you can use your thumb to move along to browse. And as you can see right here, 8 months ago, and you can tap on this week, so you can see the latest image for this week. You can see right there, and you can tap on the image if you would like. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.